Do I present to got it?
All right, welcome to the 186th District Court. Court is in session. This is cause number 2019 CR 10814, State of Texas versus Miguel and Sudiaga. We're here today for a motion to revoke community supervision. We're conducting this hearing via video conference using the Zoom application. We're also using YouTube to live stream the proceedings to keep the hearing public. Time now is 9:42 a.m. on the 3rd day of August 2021. These proceedings are official, they're on the record, and they're being recorded by the official court reporter. Counsel and all present are instructed to act as though you're in court, and are all instructed not to record the proceedings. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Travis Banks for the state of Texas.
And Kelly Piddle for Miguel and Suryaga.
Sir, you're the same Miguel and Suryaga, who was placed on community supervision on December 6, 2019 for criminal mischief between $2,500 and $30,000. Is that you, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
In state, do we have an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is to grant the motion and reform the sentence and sentence the defendant to 138 days under 1244. He's to get credit for the time he's already served, and he has enough time to satisfy that judgment.
Mr. Piddle, is that your understanding of the agreement?
It is.
And Mr. Insuriaga, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
And Mr. Insuriaga, if I agree to this, which I don't have to do, but if I agree to this, I ask that you waive your right to appeal this hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree with that?
Yes.
And Mr. Piddle, any objections?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Insuriaga, I'm going to use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you some documents. First one I'm going to show you is the defendant's consent to appear by video conference. I'm going to scroll down to electronic signature. Use my cursor to circle around this. Is this your signature here, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
By signing this, you're telling me you understand. Normally, we do motions to revoke live and in court, but that you're consenting to do this by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, Your Honor.
I approve the consent. I make it a part of the record. And then next, I'm going to show you, also using share screen, the motion to revoke. Are you familiar with this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you go over this with Mr. Piddle?
I sure did. Yes.
Do you understand it?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Piddle, do we waive reading of the motion?
Yes.
I'm going to get out of share screen. Mr. Well, State, are we pleading true to all the allegations?
The agreement is to plead true to condition number 5 only.
All right, Mr. Insuriaga, to the allegation listed on the motion that you violated condition number 5, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
Do you understand? Just by pleading true, I can find that the violation is true and revoke your community supervision.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you still wish to plead true?
Yes, Your Honor.
I find that the violation is true. I grant the state's motion. You're hereby revoked. Mr. Piddle, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No.
Being no legal reason, in accordance with your new agreement with the state, sir, I'm going to reform your sentence. I'm going to sentence you under the provisions of Penal Code 12.44A. You have a state jail felony conviction, but I can impose Class A misdemeanor punishment, which I will at 138 days in the Bexar County Jail, and will give you credit for time served. This is also judgment satisfied. Sir, there's a revocation of your community supervision where you have waived your right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record. I'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. Is there anything else from either side in regards to the motion or to the sentencing? Apparently not.
No, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you, Mr. Insuriaga. This concludes the hearing.
Thank you.
This